So it is currently 10:02. I'm going to the ATM because I do have driving lessons, and then afterwards I'm going to go get Crumbl. Okay, so I'm going to do a Crumbl Cookie review. Okay, so I have this pink velvet cake one. Let me try to pick it up and show y'all. This is the pink velvet one. I'm gonna try it. That one tastes really good. It has like cream cheese frosting. Banging. This one is the confetti one. It kind of looks like the one from Insomnia, but let me try it. That one tastes just like the one from Insomnia. Let me clean my palette. This one is the Oreo sandwich with mint icing or whatever. I don't really like chocolate, so I feel like I won't really like this one. So let's see. It just tastes like mint ice cream. I don't know how I feel about that, but. And then the last one, I didn't get the churro one because I feel like I had got the churro one before, but I have the Oreo, what's this called? Oatmeal skillet. It has vanilla mousse and caramel drizzle, so I'm trying to get the mousse and everything and try it. If I had to rate them, I would rate the pink velvet one 9 out of 10. I would rate the confetti 10 out of 10, just like Insomnia. I would rate the oatmeal skillet 7 out of 10, and I would rate the Oreo mint. I would rate that a 5 out of 10. So yeah, it's a pretty good lineup this week. So yeah. Just 1 inch.
That's how I do my trim, 1 inch.
It took me a long time to grow my hair.
Yeah, but if you don't trim it like the right amount off, it's gonna keep breaking more, and it'll get shorter.
Gotta do what? What did you say?
They said that you was waiting for me at the door as soon as you walked in.
Sorry. I'm gonna get that.
You said that you wanted me at the door, so I walked up to you. I asked you, did you say that you wanted to fight me first? Like, what's up?
You know I didn't say that though.
I don't know what you said. This is why I just came up to you and asked you. Did you say you want to fight me? I asked you. I came up to you and I said, did you say that you wanted to fight me? And then you said, what are you talking about? Okay. So I just left it at that.
You said when I see you, if I feel some type of way, do something. That's what you just said. You just said that last week.
Right, that's what I said. Yeah, what are you talking about? But you said that you wanted to fight me when you see me.
When did I say that?
Okay, well you said you didn't say it, so that's why I did it right there. But I asked you though at the door. You said you didn't say it, so it ain't nothing else to talk about. So you don't want to get that. What you mean if you don't fight? You just said that you didn't want to fight me at the door. I already said that I didn't want to fight you, but you said that you wanted to fight me at the door. That's why I was checking you. I said, did you want to fight me?
Not checking me.
But I said, did you want to fight me though? You said no, but that's what you said.
Yeah, come on.
Not the sneaker, no.
Bruh, this is what I'm talking about. This one's that we go home.
Yeah, about that.
just want to, you know, it was a lot going on, and I just want to see y'all point of views on everything, and I want y'all to talk about everything that has happened. Sai, what is your beef, or what happened with you and Legacy? Like, what made y'all? Because y'all went straight into it as soon as like she walked in, and I think y'all was the first fade.
The beef is just like, there's no beef. I don't hate you bitches. I don't like y'all, but if y'all want to get down, we go get down. But other than that, it's like I'm not really worried about this.
All right. Heffa, what is your beef with?
What y'all was saying all in the crib, this and the third, when I came in your room, y'all asked me, what you in here for? On some cute, sweet shit, right? Right.
Yeah.
So y'all asked me, let me finish. Y'all asked me, what was y'all in the room, what you in the room for? I said, what you mean? Oh, did you know Ivory before? That's some pussy ass shit. I fuck with y'all.
I just feel like it's your
There was never no
your
smoke
song
with
was
you.
different, everything was different when that bitch wasn't around.
I came in
It
your
was
room,
different.
sis.
When the bitch wasn't around, it was different.
I came in your room, you just hugged me on the balcony, bro. I just thought you been had smoke with me. Because
I didn't. Bitch, it was cool.
Let me say something though.
It was cool
All right,
until you got cool with Ivory, and then the bitch get the
No, it
and
wasn't
steal
that.
it on the bus when you tried to try me about a fucking charger.
You know, but no.
Come on, my nigga.
You know I wasn't trying
When
to
I
try you
asked
about the
for a fucking
charger.
charger,
You know,
and then what did
let me
Ivory say?
finish. No,
You're gonna get this. No,
no, it wasn't about the charger.
Why was you in the room when she was recording? When she was pouring piss on us?
It's not got shit to do with me.
Okay, but why y'all in the room? Why y'all in the room?
Who?
Y'all was in the room.
That's what I'm saying. So y'all got recorded. What the motherfuckers ever recorded? That's not nothing to do with me.
Y'all was in the room when I did that shit.
It isn't about us or whether or not. Who the fuck
We're
is that shit?
sleeping. What are you talking about? We're sleeping.
Why would y'all be in the room and do that shit? That shit weird as fuck.
Let me finish talking.
Come on, my nigga. So who recorded it?
I don't know who recorded shit. That's why I'm telling you, I don't know. I wasn't up in that.
Who recorded the piss?
Me.
So I want to know what's the smoke with me though?
Them two said that y'all two was in the room while the piss was recorded. Right? The piss was on us.
Nobody said that.
Bitch, yes you did. Yes you did. Yes you did.
What we still talking about? Come on, my nigga.
All right, so that's
Come on, for real. What we talking about? Ain't no end of shit. These bitches.
At the end of the day, there is no smoke between Mel and Legs. They want that. They want that.
Now, what you want?
I want nuts first, and then the old bitch.
Alright. Everybody sit down. Mel and y'all go over there.
I want right here, right here.
Hey,
It's slippery. I'm not gonna do it.
Listen.
Why we
If
getting
y'all
right
want
here?
fun,
Okay.
Hey, everybody else stay. Come on, one over there. One here. Chop over there. Everybody else stay.
You thought, bitch. You thought. I keep my head on swivel.
That's
bitch.
crazy to act like that.
Yeah.
She about to beat her up. The one with the braids. About to eat. It sounds like a guy. Got her hair in her hand. That big ass clump of hair. Look at her. Ouch. It's burning. She ugly.
That is bad. even brings.
Hmm?
So he didn't even bring scissor one yet.
So how long has he been off his podcast?
He's been doing it since November 1st. He's trying to do it for 30 days.
No, I'm talking about how he left. Like he never came back.
Oh no, he did come back. He went and took a shower, but I thought because Scissor's supposed to be on there because every night he has a different celebrity. I think yesterday or the day before he had Chris Brown on there.
Okay, I did see that video.
Mhm.
But it was on Instagram. I don't have
Yeah, it was on
app that you have.
It was on the Shade Room. I think the Shade Room had posted it.
Yeah, and he was like, I can't believe he's like 35 or 37 or something.
Mhm.
Yeah, I see that.
Am I the only one that's always broke on Black Friday? Like, I need to grow the fuck up. Like, come on now, what is going on? Am I the Watch me pile up, be on tired, I've been up all night. Me and babe bought a cloud, everything we do right. Love her vibe, she make me feel so nice. She want her. Watch me pile up, be on tired, I've been up all night. Me and babe bought a cloud, everything we do right. Love her vibe, she make me feel so nice.
Definitely touch up.
I'm saying, what the bitch name? Cause for one, this how you raise a big bull. You don't let no dog run you. Sit your ass down. Sit down. Sit your ass down and don't move. That's how you
Customize with it.
What does he call? He wants his phone?
I don't know. It's a girl.
Absolutely not. Not screaming like that at me in public. Imagine how they act at home. That is terrible.
I'm really taking places because he don't know how to act. Like one time we went to my mom's house. That's the one who lives in Pennsauken. Literally couldn't even let him roam around the house, bro. He stuck his leg up and peed on her step.
So yeah.
He's just so bad. That's why I gotta get like pajamas and I gotta get pants to like cover that he's wearing a diaper because he's bad as shit. Then I gotta make sure he got a haircut.
It sounds like you're talking about a kid.
Yeah, that is my kid.
Turn your head this way. My niece freaking wants me to do a ponytail in her hair.
Is that the one that you posted on
No, not her.
Instagram with the baby
They're
in the back?
sisters, not her.
I saw that on your Instagram. I'm like, whose baby is that?
That's her baby. Ain't my baby. Dude. Yeah. No, her little sister. So the girl you see in the video, my brother has 3 kids. It's her little sister. She's like, can you do a ponytail on my hair, please?
Now?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it after you.
It's
Tomorrow.
late as hell.
Oh, my leg hurts. Just holding a blow dryer in front of my leg. Turn your head toward me. Was there any cars in the front when you guys rolled by? Nah. Was there cars in the front?
Huh?
Was there cars in the parking lot? When you guys rolled to the back? Or you don't pay attention? So nobody's here then. One little hair. Turn your head to me. You know that TGI Fridays that was right there behind this building is gone?
For real?
Yeah.
I saw it on DoorDash.
I'm actually doing her hair earlier than what I thought. So I get to go home earlier because I really told her to come at 8 o'clock. Because you were supposed to come at 5:30. But you came earlier, so. I hear them. Hold on, hold on. Out right there.
Okay, this is the 10-inch bob that the company sent me. They sent me a free wig for reviewing their other wig on TikTok, so they sent me this free one. You know, I love free stuff. You know, I never deny nothing free. You know, my birthday's coming up. The bob looks gives me a very mature look. You know, this is a calm, you know, wake up, you know. Just had to fix my edges and everything. Got my hair done yesterday. I just woke up to try to like record like a little ending for the vlog. It's cool. I don't really like bobs, but it just gives me like a more like mature look, so I started to like them a little bit more. I give it a cool 7. I do like the color.